All right, in this video, I just wanted to briefly show you how you can graph a parabola using Edulastic, because it works a little different. So first up, if you notice here, I have the vertex at -2, 2. All right, so I'm going to go there first, -2, 2. This is going to be the first thing I put on my graph. And my y-intercept at 0, 3. So 0, 3. When I do so, it's going to automatically show that symmetry and it's going to populate both sides for me. So I only need to put the vertex and one additional coordinate for the parabola to draw itself out. But what's important is what happens when you notice some differences in the setup. So I'm going to look here. This one says vertex at 0, -4. Vertex 0, -4. Then solutions at -2, 2. Okay, solutions, remember, are x-intercepts. But look what happens if I click -2. Yeah, we haven't looked at anything that looks like that yet, right? So what's happening is Edulastic graphs the parabola based upon the vertex, and then it goes to the right if I'm looking at it as a U. So because it's here, it automatically graphed this way. Let me reset that. I'm going to undo that. I'm going to go back at 0, -4. If I put my coordinate here for the +2, it's all good because it's coming this direction. So you have to be really careful about which ones you use first and which ones you put on the graph for it to complete the parabola for you. We're going to look at a total of 4. So that's 2. So let's look at another one. Okay, in this one, I'm at 2, -2, vertex 2, -2, and then I need to put a y-intercept at 0, 6. Now, I know that this is going to open up, 0, 6 is up here, but I can't put the coordinate to the left. I want to go to the right as I know it's opening up. So instead, I have to think, okay, so line of symmetry is here. I need to go over 2 more. And I'm going to double check. Did that go through 0, 6? Yes. There's my parabola. Okay, one more, just to kind of help you really think through what Edulastic's doing when we graph these. We have a vertex at 4, 4. So 4, 4. And I have a y-intercept at 0, -5. So that is way down here. So you might be thinking, well, I need to put it on this side. You don't here, and I'll show you why. Here's 0, -5. The reason being is from the parabola, if I was actually traveling on the parabola to the right of the vertex is coming this direction because the parabola is opening down. So I just want to remind you that if you're putting something into Edulastic and it turns sideways on you, you need to undo that and put your new coordinate on the other side of symmetry. Okay, so I'm just going to go back to the third one just to go back through that one more time with you. I'm going to reset it. Remember, we start with our vertex, 2, -2. I know that this opens up because it goes to 0, 6. And if I put the 0, 6, it's going to turn it sideways. And I don't want it to be sideways. That means I have to put the coordinate for my parabola on the other side of the vertex. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hit reset. 2, -2, 2, -2. 0, 6 is here, but I can't put it here, so I'm going to think my axis of symmetry is right through the middle. That's 2 over. So from the 6, it would actually be right here, and I can double check that. When I look at that, I definitely can see that the parabola is going right through 0, 6.